today we're going to talk about car trends that died in 2020 and will have you throwing up in your very own mouth when you see these old trends still popping up. Really took this murdered out look trend and turned it into kind of a juvenile application, driving enthusiasts from this one and on to the next thing, which may have inevitably been tire letters.
If you haven't already, I recommend you check out my last video where I threw on some 305 tires on the Pontiac G8. Let's get started. Anyways, comes with gloves, glue, and cleaner. I didn't know it came with cleaner actually, so I bought this tire cleaner. It is permanent, so the lettering is. So this stuff will be used eventually. Forgot how much this was. Additionally, I'll put that somewhere on the screen. But yeah, it's cool. Comes with instructions too. I don't know where I threw them. Here, so you guys can see that. I only got enough lettering to do the back tires. A, because only the back tires are Goodyear, and B, I didn't want to overwhelm the look of it. Tire lettering can be very, very tricky. If you get it too big or too bold, you know, it just doesn't look right. So hopefully this makes the car look better. I don't know if this is true or not, but if memory serves me correct, yellow tire lettering is what NASCAR cars, yeah, they have yellow tire lettering, and G8 is definitely not a NASCAR, but who knows, maybe these Goodyear tire letterings will add an extra 5 horsepower per letter. So you're gonna want to start off by just cleaning off the back. Just put a little bit of goop off on a rag and just wipe them down, make sure there's no dust or little bits of trash on there or anything. You don't want anything to impede the bonding between the letter and the tire. Next, you get a rag and goof off. You want to make sure you get the tire nice and clean with the goof off so that nothing's on the tire. Next, you want to use the glue that was provided in the kit. You want to put just enough so it doesn't go over the edges and spill over. So just a thin line using the nozzle to spread it evenly to make sure that it all applies to the tire. Then it's just a matter of massaging it in, making sure that it all goes onto the tire evenly, and taking your time. There's no need to rush, just make an afternoon of it. Very importantly, you'll want to wait at least 1 hour before you start driving the car or wash it to make sure that the adhesive bonds properly to the tire. Okay, it's now been about 2 weeks since I installed these. I think they came out pretty good, but I waited to see how they would do when they got dirty, so I can test this Rubber Bright Show Quality Finish. So this small bottle comes with the purchase of the tire lettering, right? And then you get the option of the bigger bottle that I bought because I didn't know it came with this. I can honestly say that I recommend this product. It really brings the letters back to life. They can get kind of dull after a while from sitting in the sun or just getting dirt splashed on them constantly. And they look almost as new when you use this spray. I haven't had the guts to go try some different type of spray, maybe a different cleaner. But then again, why would I still have that small bottle and that large bottle, so I think tire stickers look great. The only downside I can see is that eventually you're going to but not to worry, my friends. Tire Stickers offers tire replacements for just 1 penny, literally 1 penny. All you have to do is give them the product height and some other details or specifications, which they also simplify by just asking for your previous order number, and they'll send you exactly what you're missing. It couldn't be more straightforward than that, to be honest. But to wrap things up, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I think the yellow really accents the car. It really makes the brake calipers stand out. and it's not a whole lot of money to make your car a little bit more different than the rest. If not for that, for at the very least to torture some people by making them stare at it.